What's going on, guys? It's Sean and Shadeen, and we see that Krispy Kreme has the Cinnamon Crunch donut. So I had Krispy Kreme before, but I never tried this flavor because it's new. So we're gonna try the Cinnamon Crunch donut, and this is our first time at Krispy Kreme's. And the red light was on, and anybody knows that means they're hot and fresh. All right, so we're gonna jump straight into the video. Ooh. So we got one of each. We're gonna give it a try. Yeah, that's all baby. All right. Let's get it.
I guess.
Ooh, that looks really.
Ooh,
we can bite each. So let's go.
Why do I have my belt on? I can't even.
We both do the same thing. Ooh, look at that. All right. You ready to try it?
Oh, there it is.
All right.
No.
That's good, baby.
Okay.
All right. Damn.
Some warmth.
That tastes really good.
And Sean would say, let me taste this one. I can't handle the sweet though, but.
No, eat those gumbo. Really good.
Continue. You gonna eat that one or you want about yours?
They both good.
Yep.
Oh, good.
See you later, guys. We're gonna eat this up.
All right. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And check out the other videos. Until next time, peace.